Hey, hello guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create any type of application without a single line of code. Yet, yes, you heard right. We are going to use our vibe coding skills to create an application. So follow this video. Okay, so first of all, open any web browser and type for Google AI Studio. We are going to use free resources for that. So you don't need to pay anything. Just click on Google AI Studio official website. Make sure you logged into your Google account. Okay, so it is free. So this is our Google AI Studio dashboard. So first of all, you need to click on build button. Okay, so go to your left panel and click on build icon here. Now here you will get some applications. Now go to your apps. Now connect your Google account. So whenever you create your project, it will store your project, it will save your project to your Google accounts Drive account. Okay, it will save your project in Drive properly. So we successfully connected our Google account. So now we need a prompt. So for that prompt, I'm going to use a text to image generation prompt for my application. So this is my prompt I created from ChatGPT, or you can use any Gemini or DeepSeek, whatever you want, but generate your prompt. If you want this prompt, just comment below, I'll provide you. So after clicking build button, you can see this is the professional ID open on our screen. In the left bar we have chat section, all files section, and you will also see whenever it start editing the files and modifying the files as well, and after completing you will see the preview section as well. Now you can see it is thinking properly. After that it will start coding. So we not going to touch any of the lines of code, and we will see our output directly. Okay, so let's wait until the process is complete and let's see what it will build. Okay, so as I said, we have our preview section. Just open that preview section in big screen. Okay, so now you can see where according to my prompt it is generated image to text to image generator. So let's check it is working or not. So I given a prompt which is a student which have bag in their hand, and she standed in college campus. So let's see it is generating same kind of image or not. So you can see as I said, and as I give prompt, it is generated properly. Let's create one more, and it is right now it is using Gemini API. So I do not do anything. It is connected APIs automatically. I don't have any API key or any of this. It is already connected properly with your Google account. So it is very simple to use. So you can see we have our image properly, and if you click on that image you can view the image in full screen. So with this way you can easily create a application. Not that much. You can see this application is also responsive. It means you can use this application on any type of screens, and it will adapt UI according to that screen size. Okay, so you can see we have selected one device, and it will properly align all the things according to the device. You can see, let me change the device, and you can see it is automatically adapting properly. So with this way you can see with one prompt we created this text to image generator. So let me show you where you find your projects. So it is very simple. Go to build again and your apps. Now because of you connected your Google account, now you can see your project here. Now it open this project. Now let me check one more time it is working or not. So let me give you one more prompt. So one more prompt is for a dog which is flying in the space. So let's paste the prompt here and click on generate. Now you can see, as I said, it give me proper image. Okay, So let me show you how you can save or download this source code. So it is very simple. You have the option on the top right section here. You can easily download your source code from here and make a copy of your project as well. So with this way you can easily create any type of website or application without any coding. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.